Hello, this is Dr. Mangal Kardile. Today we are announcing our online services for all our patients from 6 months to elderly, which we have been providing past 10 years. The online services we have already started in March 2020 after the nation lockdown. So these services now we are expanding for entire India, which is online, and also people across the world. Mainly the work is regarding neurorehabilitation, that is for memory and cognitive impairment, and also behavior correction for all of the Alzheimer dementia population, mental disorders, giving psychological support. Also we work for autism, ADHD, learning disability and other developmental disorders for their cognitive improvement. The improvement is regarding memory, all cognitive areas, behavior correction, and supporting children with their scholastic abilities. Also, our services are in the mental health law area as well, which are especially for disability. So we work for disability, mental health laws and human rights as well for all of the population, right from children to elderly, supporting various cognitive impairment or neurological disabilities from 6 months to elderly for improving quality of life. The details of our services are on our website. Our services we are giving more than 10 years in this mental health area. We have been serving more than 2000 patients right from children to elderly for varied memory and cognitive impairment. The research work is quite long from 2003, presenting in various international platforms and supported by various international organizations. We have been giving online support to all of our patients since March 2020 as the lockdown started in India. Concerning about current situation and also the future situations, we are expanding our services for the global population. All of the details we have given on our website, that is www.mentalhealthaims.com. We have given all the details about the neurorehabilitation program, how we are taking under Brain Next, which is an innovative product which is recognized by neurologists and has been awarded many global and national awards for innovation. So I request you to visit our website and know more about the program and also about our services. We have online appointment which is given on the website. It's a very simple procedure to get an appointment. The details are given on the website. Also, we have toll-free number which is Pan India. So from any corner of India, anybody can call us on the toll-free number which is 1800-266-4161. Also, we have email if you would like to send us any inquiry. Now we will listen to our patients' feedback, how they have benefited from our services. Thank you.
We have a 6-year-old daughter. She is having developmental delay issue and genetic epilepsy issue. From last 6 years, we have taken her to numerous places for her betterment. Recently, 2 months before, we got to know about Dr. Mangala Kardile and her unique methodology. So we visited her. There we got to know about the concept of child neuropsychology. Now my wife will explain the further thing.
Hello. As a mother, I would like to tell that we have benefited a lot after visiting Dr. Mangala Kardile. We stopped all other therapies since we started visiting Madam. This is because of the reason that since we have started going to Madam from last 2 months, she gives us a new exercises and has given solution to all our problems. We have seen noticeable changes in our daughter's behavior, like in her understanding, in her thinking, in her emotions, improvement in her walking, sitting, and in eye to eye contact. Now, she also gets down properly from the bed, unlike before when she used to be afraid to do that. There is improvement in her jaw movement, her babbling has increased. We like ma'am's exercises as they are result oriented. Energy level also increase due to the exercises. We got to know from her that you can benefit in multiple areas by doing a single or following this methodology. As a parent, we will recommend you to visit Dr. Mangala Kardile for your child's improvement and child's future. Has benefited a lot in these 2 months and will be benefiting in the coming days. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.